See how many butterflies are flying around this lilac tree. So pretty. Wow, hundreds of them. It smells so good. Wow. Usually our lilac festival here is January or February, but it's already almost April. Oh no, it's April already. What's the date today?
Today it is the 5th.
The 5th, 2026. Oh, look at this blue jay playing around. Oh, can you see it? It's there. That's a blue jay up there. Wow. Hundreds of butterflies. And look at their color. It's with orange, yellow, black, brown. Wow, amazing. My love, can you take this bag and I'm gonna take a focus. Oh, look at those bees that are stingless bees. Because we have a lot of pine trees in this mountain. So usually our bees here are mostly stingless. Oh, so gorgeous. But we gotta go. Have a beautiful Easter Sunday, guys. Look at this, another flower tree, which is lilac. Oh, so gorgeous.